Hey, so I heard if you pack your luggage, head to the airport, hop on a plane, fly for 12 hours, hop on another plane, fly for another 2 hours, explore a new city, hop on a boat, cruise for an hour, find a good snorkeling spot, jump off the boat, go for a swim, set up a picnic, laze around, watch the world go by, visit a secret beach, go for another swim, discover a shipwreck, go for a road trip, drive for an hour, experience a car breakdown, think nothing about it and go for a hike, find a good vantage point, set up a time lapse, watch the sunset, lie down and enjoy the night sky, wake up for sunrise, chill out in the pool, cruise on an ATV, enjoy the cool sea breeze, watch another sunset and another sunset and another sunset, and most importantly, have your best friend by your side. And if you do these things, you will create memories of a lifetime. What's up y'all? Ron here. Welcome back to the channel. This week, I am in Greece for a vacation. And so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to share with you 5 types of shot to elevate your next vacation. It is slightly cloudy right now, so let's cut to some sunrise, shall we?
My headspace been weaker, it's been waiting for the right day. Like the right day ever comes, now it's Friday and nothing's changed.
Number 1. Establishing the scene. These shots are generally used as an introductory component to your video to set the tone and mood. Think about location, time of day to iconic landmarks. Personally, I like to use time lapses to show the passing of time, like this.
Mistakes that everyone is making, but I can't change. I'm stuck in reverse like an old Benz. Forgot to tap it up. Now I long for. Let's go.
Alright, let's go in. Number 2. The classic handheld selfies. Probably my favorite point of view. This classic shot is perfect for character introduction and capturing reactions.
So if you're down, I'll be down. Pack your bags, fill them up. We can go tonight, take a flight to a higher ground. How does that sound? How does that sound?
Number 3. Go hands-free and immerse your viewers with this point of view, also known as POV. Number 4. The stationary point of view. This static shot is perfect to use when you want to frame your shot a certain way, like this. How about that? How about that? But before we continue, let's talk about the sponsor for today's video. This is the BenQ LaptopBar, an LED light bar built specifically for your laptop. The magnetic lightweight foldable design allows it to be highly portable, perfect for a creator like myself who is always on the road. And what I love most about it is its beautiful and immersive illumination. So, if you want to find out more, check out the link in my description for more details. Now, back to the video. Number 5. Elevate your shots with creative features like time-lapse, time warps, and night effects. Now, let's go to some B-roll. Pro tip: create thumb-stopping moments by shooting in high frame rates, basically 60 frames and above, so that you can slow it down and relieve those memories. Perfect for the finale shot.
Let's start over. Let's start over. Let's start over. Let's start over.
And for the final tip, there are no hard and fast rules to capturing your holiday. So go out there, shoot, capture, and experiment. I hope these 5 shots would enable you and inspire you to capture your next vacation. Until then, that's the end of this video. I will see you in the next upload. Yo!
Now I